If you need maximum control over your media conversions, you can send your projects directly to Apple's standalone encoding application, Compressor. Compressor offers a much wider variety of settings and controls that can be customized for specific workflows and delivery requirements. For example, Compressor gives you much greater control over the final output file size, as well as providing high-quality frame retiming and resizing options. What's particularly useful about Compressor is that you can output a portion of your project using in and out markers. Using any other share method always results in the entire movie being output. To send a project to Compressor, make sure it's selected in the project library, then from the Share menu choose Send to Compressor. The Compressor app will launch and the movie appears with a scrubbable thumbnail in the batch window. To apply an encoding preset to the movie, make sure the settings window is open, then locate a preset in one of the folders. Because the preset list is a bit overwhelming, you might find it easier to use the search field to find what you're looking for. Enter Web, and all the presets for web-based movies appear. Let's say we wanted a high-quality 1080p movie for uploading to Vimeo. Just drag the preset out of the Settings tab and drop it on the job area. You'll also need to set an output destination for your movie. Right-click on Source and choose Destination from the menu. Let's choose the user's Movies folder. Before we submit the job, click the Preview button to bring up the preview window. This window allows you to scrub through your movie and set in and out points for the portion of the video you want to output. By default, the entire movie will be output. Let's create an output range. Scrub to the first frame of the Confederate firing line and press I to set an in point. Scrub to the end of the Union firing line shot and press O to set an out point. You can also create chapter markers for your movie in this window. This is something you cannot do directly in Final Cut Pro. Move the playhead to the frame you want your marker at, then press M to create the marker. To edit the marker, click the Marker pop-up menu and choose Edit Marker, or press Command E. From the Type menu, choose the marker type you want, in this case a chapter marker, then click OK. To delete a marker, make sure the playhead is parked directly on the marker, then press M to remove it. Then click Submit. Click Submit again in the next window that appears. Finally, you don't need to send your movies to Compressor if you know what Compressor preset you want applied. Final Cut Pro gives you access to all the Compressor presets right within the Share menu. Select the project you want to encode, then from the Share menu choose Export using Compressor settings. A window appears that is functionally, though not visually, identical to the settings window in Compressor. All of your presets appear in folders, and you can search for a preset by typing in the search field. You also have access to any custom presets you created in Compressor. Just select a preset and click Next. Name the movie and save it to your hard drive. The only downside to using a preset within Final Cut Pro is you must output the entire movie. Only Compressor gives you the option of setting an in and out range for your encoded movie. With that, this tutorial has come to an end. I sincerely hope you found this tutorial a great benefit to mastering the incredible toolset in Final Cut Pro 10. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please tell your friends and visit us again at rippletraining.com for additional training on Apple's dynamic media software. I'm Steve from Ripple Training. Thanks for watching.